All right, so we got the shaolwater that we're going to be taking a look at. The pump that goes into the live well, and just do a little bit of electrical on that one. See what's happening with that, and see what we can do for them. We halfway diagnosed it. We did find the pump. This is an issue that we're having with the live well, where it's bubbling, but it's not like that's the bubbler over there where that line is. But it's not pumping the water up from the sea or from the wherever we're at. So the pump's not pumping, and that's the issue. Right, so yeah, it's that yellow pump right there. Kind of hard to see, but that's what we're going to be testing. We traced the wires out. Kind of shoddy wire job here. It's not the best. So we're going to take these leads off, replace them, at least clean it up, and then test the pump itself. First thing we're going to do is flip this puppy on. We're going to come over here. What we did is we hooked on this extension onto the battery. What we need to do is go ahead and test it. Now I did test the wires here, so there is power going from these two wires. You can see there we got power, so that's telling us that there is power going to the switch, coming from the switch out to the pump. We're just not getting it passed into the pump, only probably because the pump's out. One's a ground, one's a power, and so we got power to the wire. We're going to go ahead and test the pump straight with these two connectors onto the wires we just disconnected. Got the power and ground. This thing should, if it is working, it should kick on. Nothing at all. No spark. No spark. No, it's not trying to do anything. And again, test this. Again, we still show we have power going from the battery up into the pump area, and still the pump's not running. So, faulty pump. What we did was we had issues with these side lights as well as an added part to this video. Let me get up in here. We found out to double check, if you have one of these, to double check. And again, this is a shallow water 18-foot boat, that this fuse right in here was not having enough tension, so it didn't have connection. And so now when you hit the lights, they come on. Oh, now they're not coming on. The problem was this fuse not being pushed in all the way. I guess the tension on it, the spring wasn't keeping enough on it, and yeah, it wasn't making connections. So now when you turn this puppy on, this light does turn on. So again, we did confirm that that pump was bad. These were the tools that we used. It was a extender, connector, and then the test light. And that's all you really needed. Y'all make sure to check your fluids and keep it on the water. All right, y'all take care.